Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to straighten image in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos. And Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library, where you can add and edit any photo you like. Now tap on the photo that you'd like to edit. And here, at the third option, you will see Crop. Tap on that, and here it will reveal many more options. Again, you will see Straighten as the third option. Simply tap on that, and Adobe Lightroom will make a grid and straighten your photo according to that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.